Kurnool history. Kurnool is a city located in the southwestern part of the Indian state of Andhra Pradesh. It has a rich historical significance that dates back to the ancient era of India. The region surrounding Kurnool has been inhabited since prehistoric times, as evidenced by the numerous rock art sites in the area. Kurnool was once a part of the Mauryan Empire, which was established by the great emperor Ashoka in the 3rd century BCE. The city was an important center of trade and commerce during this period, and it served as a hub for the transport of goods between the northern and southern parts of the empire. During the medieval period, Kurnool was under the rule of various dynasties such as the Cholas, Chalukyas, and the Kakatiyas. The region saw several battles during this period, as the various dynasties vied for control over the region. Kurnool gained prominence during the reign of the Vijayanagara Empire in the 16th century. The city served as a strategic military outpost for the empire, and it played an important role in defending the empire against the invading armies of the Bahmani Sultanate. After the decline of the Vijayanagara Empire, Kurnool came under the rule of the Sultanate of Bijapur. Later, it was conquered by the Mughal Empire, and subsequently, by the Nizams of Hyderabad. During the British Raj, Kurnool was a part of the Madras Presidency. The city saw significant development during this period, as the British built several important infrastructure projects such as roads, railways, and canals in the region. After India gained independence in 1947, Kurnool became a part of the state of Andhra Pradesh. The city has seen significant growth and development in the years since independence, and it is now a rapidly growing city with a population of over 4 lakh people. Kurnool is known for its rich cultural heritage, historical monuments, and beautiful natural scenery. Some of the popular tourist attractions in Kurnool include the Konda Reddy Fort, the Belam Caves, the Mahanandi Temple, and the Oravakallu Rock Garden. The Konda Reddy Fort is a historic fortress that dates back to the 16th century. The fort was built by the Vijayanagara Empire, and it served as a strategic military outpost for the empire. The fort is now a popular tourist attraction, and it offers stunning views of the surrounding countryside. The Belam Caves are a series of underground caves that are located in the village of Belam. The caves are believed to be over 1 million years old, and they are among the longest caves in India. The caves are known for their stunning rock formations, underground waterfalls, and intricate network of tunnels and chambers. The Mahanandi Temple is a historic Hindu temple that is located in the town of Mahanandi. The temple is dedicated to Lord Shiva, and it is believed to have been built during the 7th century. The temple is known for its beautiful architecture, intricate carvings, and serene surroundings. The Oravakallu Rock Garden is a popular tourist attraction that is located in the village of Oravakallu. The rock garden features a series of unique rock formations that have been shaped by centuries of wind and water erosion. The garden offers stunning views of the surrounding hills and countryside. In addition to its historical and cultural significance, Kurnool is also an important center of education, commerce, and industry in Andhra Pradesh. The city is home to several prestigious educational institutions, including the Rayalaseema University. Thanks for